Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the monitor model, resolution, and the cable type so you avoid guessing later. Once done, close any full-screen apps and note existing scaling or multiple display layouts. This prevents confusion. Now open your operating system display settings and the GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, so you control both system and driver-level options. These steps let you change resolution and scaling accurately, and they set the stage for precise adjustments rather than trial and error. Next, set the display to its native resolution in system settings. If the correct option is missing, update or reinstall the GPU driver and reboot. After that, adjust scaling to 100% or the monitor's native scaling so UI elements fill the screen correctly. Make sure the aspect ratio matches the monitor, 16:9 versus 4:3, and use the graphics control panel to create or apply a custom resolution, fix over scan, or choose full-screen scaling modes when the system options don't solve it. Finish by confirming the refresh rate and testing full-screen behavior across different apps and input sources. Sometimes a media player versus a game behaves differently. If problems remain, swap cables or ports and try a factory reset on the monitor to clear internal scaling presets. Make sure to document exact resolution, scaling, driver version, and cable type. If you contact support, provide screenshots and these details so they can reproduce the issue and give a targeted fix rather than guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.